just enough.
Hi everybody, my lovely assistant here had decided she would gleefully share her bag stamping expertise for everyone to see. This is my wife Jenny, by the way, the real boss. And why don't you tell us what you're doing, sweetheart?
I just put some ink on the pad here, this Speedball screen printing ink.
Let me see it.
There.
Okay, thank you, honey.
Dark blue. I'm rolling it out a little bit with the brayer, rubber brayer.
That's just out of the jar. Is it thinned at all or
Yeah.
anything?
Just put it on with this thing.
Okay.
And then I'm usually this is the first one tonight. I'm gonna test it over here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
of course.
it's really thick.
Couldn't see.
Check it out.
So that's just a piece of paper then.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna start. And when I have a lot of ink on, I usually just do it once. Dip the stamp in once. And then press it onto the bag. And there you go.
Okay, hold the bag up so we can see it, sweetheart. And yeah,
It's not too
that's
bad.
pretty good. All right.
And then I just re-roll it. Another one. Stamp again. And roll it one more time. Make sure it's all covered.
So you're not pressing it down very. Oh, you're pressing it
Yeah,
down
I'm
hard.
pressing it down.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's that inside the bag that you have there?
I have a piece of plastic mat that I cut and a piece of this paper newsprint to
So you
protect.
just fold it in half.
Yeah.
It shows how you put it in the bag and everything.
Okay. Just take one of these. I just put it around the piece of plastic and slip it into the bag. This way it protects the plastic, and then also the back of the bag doesn't get any ink transferred through
All right. So then you stamp it. Let's see you stamp it one more time.
Okay.
So that protects the inside of the bag from any transient ink. Then, in
Yeah.
other words. Okay. All right. Now, can we see a finished bag there? Doesn't take long for this to dry at all, does it?
It depends. Sometimes when the ink is really thick, which does happen sometimes.
Okay, well, can we see the bag?
You're disturbing my...
All right, there we go. On the people to see. So that's right off the printing press, so to speak. So I've got to leave my employee alone now before I start getting slapped, people. But at any rate, that's how we do our bags. I hope this helped everybody who was wondering how we did it.